Now, if your SkyQ box remote is not working, like it's not responding, buttons aren't doing anything, or the box isn't reacting at all, don't worry. There are a few quick fixes you can try, and most of the time, it's something simple. So let's go step by step. Step 1. Replace the batteries. First things first, change the batteries. This sounds basic, but weak batteries are the most common reason a SkyQ remote suddenly stops working. So put in a fresh pair of AAA batteries and make sure they're placed in the correct direction. Step 2. Check if the SkyQ box is awake. Next, press the power button on the SkyQ box itself. This helps you confirm whether the issue is the remote or the box. If the box powers on normally but the remote still does nothing, then the problem is clearly on the remote side. Step 3. Repair the remote to the SkyQ box. Now sometimes the SkyQ remote simply loses connection. To reconnect it, press and hold 1 and 3 together for about 5 seconds. After a few seconds, you should see the light on the remote blink. That's the signal it's pairing again. Step 4. Remove possible interference. Now, even though SkyQ remotes use Bluetooth, interference can still cause issues. So if you have devices near the box like soundbars, game consoles, big metal objects, Wi-Fi routers, try moving them slightly away from the SkyQ box and test the remote again. Step 5. Power cycle the SkyQ box. If it's still not responding, restart the box. Turn the SkyQ box off at the wall, wait 60 seconds, then turn it back on. Let it fully boot up, then try using the remote again. This can refresh the connection and fix the issue. Step 6. Reset the remote. Now if nothing works, reset the remote. Press and hold 7 and 9 together for around 5 seconds. After resetting, pair it again using 1 and 3. If it still doesn't work. Now, if you've changed batteries, restarted the box, reset the remote, and repaired it and it still doesn't respond, then the remote may have failed internally. At that point, getting a replacement remote from Sky is usually the fastest solution. And that's about it. Hopefully this video helped you out. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.